This is SmarTrend News. I'm Christy Duffy. Today is Monday, January 24th. This is your closing bell market wrap-up. The major U.S. equity indices closed higher today following deal activity and as investors grow optimistic ahead of this week's earnings reports and the State of the Union address. In corporate news, Texas Instruments reported fourth quarter earnings results, posting an EPS of 64 cents ex items, marginally topping consensus estimates of 63 cents per share. Revenues for the quarter rose 18% year over year to $3.53 billion, coming in ahead of the consensus of $3.5 billion. Amgen reported its fourth quarter EPS of $1.17, topping consensus of $1.10. Revenues for the quarter rose 1% year over year to $3.84 billion, ahead of the consensus of $3.81 billion. RockTenn has announced that it will buy paperboard-maker Smurfit-Stone in a deal valued at approximately $3.5 billion. The transaction will consist of 50% cash and 50% RockTenn stock and values each Smurfit-Stone common share at $35, a 27% premium to Friday's close. Checking in on where the major U.S. equity indices closed today, the Dow Jones Industrial Average closing about 1% higher at 11,980 points, the S&P 500 closing over 0.5% higher at 1,290, and the NASDAQ Composite is closing about 1% higher at 2,717 points. For further updates, stay tuned. You're watching SmarTrend News. I'm Christy Duffy.